Hello ladies and gents, so I just want to do the unboxing of the Caberg Droid helmet. This is the iron edition, which is, they come in a multitude of colours, and this one is the iron. I also do a ride review later, so as you can guess I've already unboxed it, but I've done another cut because I fluffed the first one. So I'm going to go through the process of unboxing it. It's still mint. So comes with its own helmet bag as usual. So let's get this out. My first impression when I first unboxed this was, wow, it's a very nice looking helmet. First thing I noticed was how light it was. When I first picked it up the box off the courier, I'm like, hang on, is there an helmet in there? It's really light. It says 1,630 grams, so 1.6 kilo, but it feels light. I think it's because it's got a matte kind of finish to it, so there's no real paint job on there. So it's a nice helmet, that one. And I was first drawn to the design. The fact that it's called Droid attracted me, because as you can tell by the channel name, I'm a geek. So let's have a better look. So this is a modular helmet, so it has the clasp at the front opens all the way around. It's double emulated, so you can lock this in place with this clip, which means it's legal to ride with it up, which is really cool. If it's as warm as it is lately, it's nice to ride with your front flipped up. So in this position, it also has the sun visor, which is operated with a lever on top of the helmet there. It's got a scratch resistant visor. The helmet is made in Italy. The Caberg helmets are a good helmet. I think really impressive. This also came with a pin lock insert, which is the clear. Normally when you get free pin lock with the helmet, it's normally a clear. There's obviously, as you can see, you can get light smoke, dark smoke or yellow. Clear is really good for all year use, and they're really easy to install. You go on the website, and even though it says fitting instructions on the website, I had to go on YouTube, as it doesn't say. This is my second helmet I've tried recently. The first one I tried was a Bell. It was an SRT modular helmet, and I really liked it. It was very comfortable, but when I got back and washed it, because it was covered in bugs, it leaked all inside the rim there, and there was big gaps there, which I'm sure was just a design fault in that particular helmet. But I've tested this one and it's nicely sealed. Air vents on the top, open and close. Got some air vents there as well. These are actually air vents. They open slightly and let in some air, but you've also got some air vents there as well. On the inside, which you can't see, but I'm going to put some pictures on screen now, there is insert cutouts for Bluetooth headset, which is really cool. And I think you can wear sunglasses with this one, or glasses. Yet to test that, but I'm sure in the description it said you could. One thing about size with this helmet, I bought a large because my measurements worked out just under large and probably at the top end of medium. So this states that it's from 59 centimeters. I was 58.5. This is nice and tight. I would say if you're at the, if you are touching the large sort of scale, 59, I'd try an extra large, especially if you can go into a store and try this. I bought it online, so it was a gamble, but I got a large, and it fits me really snug. It pushes the cheeks in comfortably. Excuse me while I got a drink of tea. From obviously a Star Wars cup. So it does fit really snug, and I find this chin curtain, chin guard, is really close to my chin. In fact, it just comes under it, which is probably how it's meant to be. But I find, my face is probably a couple of inches from this. But for me, it fits really snug. So keep watching and you'll see what it's like on a ride. Thank you. So I've been out with the new helmet on and lock it in place for a couple of hours. It is comfy. It's quite tight on the cheeks, this one, and it's been good in the sense that the visor has got different stages you can look it at. The sun visor is quite good. It's not very dark, but it's okay. But you have got apparently you can fit normal glasses on with this helmet. So in general, it's been okay. Not a bad helmet at all. I've been quite happy with it. So just thought I'd give you a little update. Now I've been out. So see you later. Bye.